Welcome to Pembroke Chrysler. Here is another one of our great vehicles for sale. This 2022 Ford Explorer comes equipped with leather seats, sunroof, navigation system and heated seats. Here at Pembroke Chrysler, it is our mission to be the automotive home of drivers in the Pembroke area. We provide a vast selection of new and used vehicles, exceptional car care, and customer service with a smile. Our showroom has the newest model of Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, or Ram vehicles, and we also hold a great stock of used vehicles as well. Our finance center can help you out with providing a loan rate and approved car financing, regardless of your type of credit. Once you purchase from us, our highly qualified technicians will provide top-of-the-line service in a timely manner. Come and visit us at 1398 Pembroke Street West, in Pembroke, Central Ontario.